Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a really fun video because, as you guys know, a lot of e.l.f. products have actually gone viral all over social medias. They're super trendy, and today I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite viral products, tell you guys a little bit about them, why I love them, and of course show them on the face. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so let's get started. I am so excited to share that e.l.f. is actually sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. I love e.l.f. You guys know how much I love them. I'm literally like their #1 fan, and today I just want to show you guys viral products that are not only great, but they're also really budget friendly. All these products have gone viral for a reason. These are going to be the trending top sellers with more than 10 million views and of course really good reviews. So I did go ahead and link down the page where you guys can shop all these products, but like I said, today I'm going to show you guys my top favorites. Of course, if you didn't know, e.l.f. is 100% vegan and cruelty-free worldwide. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is actually go into primer. So let me put my hair back and let's get started. Okay, so let's start out with a product that has gotten over 18 million views. It's only $10 and it is this. So this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is truly my favorite gripping primer. It's so affordable, it's so nice, and it just gives your skin that longevity. So this is going to be a gel-based formula, and it's going to prep and smooth your skin. It's going to grip your makeup all day, and it leaves a really nice finish. My favorite way of applying this is actually tapping it on, and it truly does grip on to your foundation, your concealer, any makeup that you put on top, and it's going to last all day. This product is going to give your skin a soft focus effect. It is going to be enriched with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Again, this is only $10, so you really can't beat the price. So as you can see, my skin is a little bit on the tacky side, and so that's really going to hold on to that makeup. And it's also nice and hydrating, which is what I really love because I do have more normal to dry skin. And this is the finished result. See how my skin looks hydrated? It looks a little dewy, but it's such a perfect base for the makeup. So you guys know that it's gonna last all day long and it's gonna be gripping onto that makeup. So again, this is the Power Grip Primer and it is viral for a reason. It truly is just a beautiful gripping primer. Okay, so moving on to foundation, I'm actually going to be using a CC Cream, which I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm about to pull out. If the condition of my bottles don't show how much I love this product, I'm literally almost out of 2 different shades. I have been loving this since the day it came out. Why don't we go ahead and use 355 medium to match the neck, and then I'll go ahead and highlight with my concealer. So this is actually a medium to full coverage foundation with a natural finish. Again, it does have SPF 30, which is going to help protect your skin against sun damage. It is a multitasking foundation because it does provide some skincare benefits. Some other key ingredients is actually hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides. As you guys saw, I have been really loving like dotting whatever foundation CC cream I'm wearing on my face and actually blending it out with my fingers first. I feel like that way I can get the most coverage with the least amount of product, and then I like to go in with a sponge and blend out the rest. I know that the shade might look a little crazy right now, but just give me a minute with concealer and bronzer, it'll all come together. I love a good natural finish. See how it's just giving healthy. It is not overly dewy, it's not matte. It truly is a nice natural finish that's gonna work so well with all the other products. I love this because not only does it have the skincare benefits, but it does give you that medium to full coverage. So you are doing like 2 in 1. It's good for your skin. It's also going to make your skin look flawless, and it does actually wear really nicely. I mean, if you guys watch my channel, you know how much I do actually love this product, and you really can't beat the price. I mean, again, it's viral for a reason. Moving on to concealer, I'm gonna use one of my absolute holy grail concealers. So today we're gonna be using the oh so famous e.l.f. Camo Concealer. They do have 2 different options. They have the matte and the hydrating. Today I'm gonna be using the hydrating, but I do love both. These concealers have more than 24 million views. They're only $7. They have a great shade range, and of course, both finishes. This is truly like one of my go-to concealers. Again, viral for a reason. reason. I'm going to be using the shade Medium Warm. This concealer is going to cover blemishes, dark circles, and is going to have a smooth satin finish. And the formula is really great. It actually works great for normal combination or dry skin. Key ingredients, it does have sodium hyaluronic, which is actually going to help provide hydration by locking in the moisture. And it also has rose flower water. So that's actually going to help soothe your skin with the anti-inflammatory properties. I love this concealer so much. I also have different shades of it. I use it to correct. I also have a darker shade for this concealer, and I love using it as cream bronzer. This concealer is truly the best at the drugstore. It is so high coverage, but it's so hydrating, and it does look so beautiful all day long. Okay, so we're blended out. Where are the dark circles? Where are any blemishes? They're nowhere in sight. So I'm gonna quickly set with some powder, add some bronzer, and I'll be right back to show you guys a blush. So for eyeshadow, we're actually gonna be using, you guessed it, one of the bite-sized shadows. These have more than 10 million views and they're only $3. I have so many favorites. My go-to is actually Pumpkin Pie. I love this one. And then this is just like a great basic one. This is I Love You a Latte. But today I figured because it is fall time, let's go ahead and use these beautiful shades. This is in the shade Berry Bad. As you can see, this one has 2 mattes and 2 shimmer shades. As you guys can tell, all of the bite-sized eyeshadow palettes are actually pigment packed with mattes and shimmer shades. So today, let's go ahead and create something beautiful. So I'm first gonna go into the lightest matte shade, and I'm gonna use that as an all-over crease shade. So these are gonna be some ultra pigmented powder eyeshadow quads, and they do deliver creamy, blendable color in the perfect mini quads. And of course, these are perfect for travel size and to just throw in your bag. I really love these because you can always create a lot of full looks with these quads, but obviously they're so small, they're so affordable that you can just buy a couple and also just mix and match. I love that they're super nice and pigmented, but so blendable. Okay, so I put this shade pretty much everywhere. And now I'm gonna go into the darker matte shade with another brush just to kind of add some darkness on the outer corner. I really have been loving these bite-sized eyeshadow palettes since they came out because they have a really nice formula, but I also love how compact they are. I mean, you won't see me traveling without these because they're just so easy. Today we're gonna do a little bit of like a cut crease. I am gonna use a little bit of that darker shade and just put it in the outer corner just to add a little bit more drama. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and use both of these shimmer shades. Why not? Very, very beautiful. So I think I'm gonna use the pinkier one in the inner corner and then the purplier one maybe like in the middle to do more of like a little bit of an ombre. I am gonna go in with a wet brush, but I just wanna add some with my fingers first. So now with a wet brush, I'm gonna grab that pink and really stamp it on that inner corner. Wow, that is so pretty. And then we're gonna add the purple in the middle. So, so pretty. And just for fun, I'm gonna grab a little bit of that pinky shade and just add it to the lower lash line, just to have like the same color on top and bottom. And that is what that looks like. Let me add some eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back so you guys can see the final eyeshadow look. Alrighty guys, so eyeliner, mascara, I am loving the way this look came out. So let's add some more color back into the skin and do some blush. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to help me pick a color, but for blush, we're gonna be using the viral e.l.f. Putty blushes. These are actually only $7. They have so many beautiful shades and they do have more than 16 million views. You guys know how obsessed I am with these. I do have the shade Tahiti as well as Bali, and I'm thinking, now that I'm looking at it, I think we should use Tahiti because of the pinkiness that we have going on. So my favorite way of using them is with an angled brush. These actually blend and build very nicely and give you a nice like soft flush, and it's actually a putty to powder formula. So once it dries down, it looks like a powder. It's like the perfect formula because it's so blendable and creamy, but then it has that nice powdery finish. I love it. And as you guys can see, you can do more of a soft look or you can build it up like me because I love blush. These are only $7 and they do melt into the skin, give you a natural glow. It's also infused with argan oil and vitamin E for a boost of hydration. I'm honestly obsessed with these. Of course, I like putting some on the nose for that sunburnt look. One of my favorite things about this product is that it actually lasts a very long time. I feel like blushes nowadays don't last that long, and so what I like about it is that it really holds onto the skin because it is that creamy formula, but once it sets down to that semi-matte, it really doesn't go anywhere and it just looks so beautiful. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Obviously, because it's a putty, it's a lot easier to do that and you can get really beautiful shades out of it. So that is the blush. Again, this is in the shade Tahiti and I love it. So yeah, we're almost done. All we have left is the glossy lip stain. So let me show you guys some of my favorite shades and then we'll apply one on the lips. So again, these are some of the glossy lip stains. These have more than 12 million views and they are only $6. These are really nice. It's a long wearing stain that actually stays on the lips even after like the glossy part fades. These are 3 of my favorite shades. Let me give you guys some swatches and then we'll pick what will look better. Okay, so this one is Basic Beige, which is really, really pretty, but I don't know, it might be a little too warm for our look. We also have Fiery Red. Don't be afraid of it because this is more of like a reddish pinky and it's really, really nice. And then the last one that I have is actually Power Mauve. I have a feeling we're gonna go with this one. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a Power Mauve kind of day. So I'm gonna quickly take off my lip balm, add some lip liner, and then we'll go ahead and apply these. I like these lip stains because they're very versatile. I actually like to wear them on my bare lips, literally with no makeup on. But as you can see, now that we have a full face of makeup, I'm gonna use it almost like a lipstick to complete a full face of makeup. It is very long wearing and it's nice and hydrating. I really, really like this. So that is the color. I think this is perfect. So again, this is a shade Power Mauve and it looks stunning. And see how it looks like a full-on lipstick? I'm telling you guys, you can really use this for a natural day or a full glam day. That is what that looks like. I really like it because right now it looks like a lipstick and a gloss, but like I said, once it'll fade, it's gonna look like a really nice, like pouty stain on the lips. Alrighty guys, and that is the final result with my favorite viral products from e.l.f. As you guys can see, they're definitely worth the hype. If you're interested in shopping them, don't forget to shop the links in my bio. I will link every single thing that I use down below to make it easy for you guys, and of course also tell you guys the shades that I use. But as you can see, they created such a beautiful look. Again, so affordable, viral for a reason. You guys know how much I love e.l.f., so I'm really happy that I was able to work with them today. Thanks again to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video, and of course thank you to you guys, because if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't get to work with my favorite brand. So thank you guys so much. I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you very, very much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!